There's one more very important part of the inductors is what, as a teacher, I should conclude here. So at steady state, there'll be a charge here, no? Q infinity, Q infinity. And there will be a flow of current. Okay, that I'll call I infinity. That we have to later on we have to calculate. So till here, I'm very much sure about, okay, like this, there'll be a flow of current. The moment I open switch, so when we open switch, then what conditions will arise? How the current through the emitters will flow? Will they flow in the same direction? Okay, the switches are open. No. What this capacitor will do? There won't be EMF due to cell, no? So there won't be influence of this cell on either the capacitor or inductor. I agree, the first part. Then the capacitor is having a loop. It will try to discharge here. Then there will be a current through this one. How the current will flow in this direction. Okay, this is what IC will say. Now, what about here now? Anybody? Yes, we know from the self-inductance, there won't be EMF to support this current. The flux across this coil starts collapsing, then there'll be induced current, and the induced current will flow in the direction of initial steady state current, no? So there will be an high steady state. IL will write it. So what is that IL? IL should be called I infinity only. Same direction, but here it will be different. During charging, the current was flowing like this. Now the discharging, it flow in opposite direction. Am I right? Because this is a positive plate. So it starts discharging, so the current will flow like this. Whereas here, the current will flow in the direction of the earlier steady state current. This is something I wanted to. So what is IC? Can you find out? Yes. For that, you should know Q infinity, other things. So how to calculate I infinity? You go for, this will be a short circuit. This will be open circuit. Then work out from current LCT topic. I think, okay, these two are parallel. These two are parallel, and this will be connected to this. Redraw the circuit properly. Work out and calculate the I infinity. That only is what IL. How to calculate IC? IC is what? Q infinity by lambda 2R. Okay, I think the direction of current here will not be like this. In fact, will be like this. When charging, the current was flowing here in this direction. When you open the switch, the current will flow in opposite direction across this emitter. Across this emitter, why there won't be problem? You see this. It will continue to flow in same direction. The reason for that, according to the like a Lenz's law, the direction of induced current is such that it should oppose its own cause. The steady state current start decreasing. So therefore, the inductor will push the current in same direction. So what are the type of questions? Instead of asking here, find the reading of emitter or find the direction of current through the emitters. Means earlier it was flowing from A to B. Now how it will flow? It will flow from B to A. Now it will flow from P to Q. Now this is a very popular, so just do think on this one.